To the sounds of a friend playing the bagpipe, let's talk about the Black Wattle that grows around Sydney. Sydney Black Wattle is a very rapidly growing tree. It grows like this, up there, and it has relatively dark yellow flowers a bit later in the season. Usually, there's been a few here. You can just see the very early seed pods developing here, and these, when they ripen, make great tucker for your caged and aviary birds, your parrots and cockatoos in particular. So black wattle seeds, as they're ripening, make great food.